In order to edit an extrusion, we simply come up to the Property tool under the Edit toolbox and come down to our extrusion we wish to edit. We click on that extrusion and that brings up the Extrusion Properties dialog box. Now here we have a few options. As you'll see here, we have a toggle moving point, and if you look down in the grid space, you'll see that we have a moving point and a fixed point. Now these items are designated so that you know which one will be the point of the extrusion that will move when you change your value in the Properties dialog box. Say if we put in a value and tell move end only, click OK, and our moving point is a point that jumped. Now if we do the same thing and toggle the moving point, we now see that it's over here. Type in value, click OK. Now that side moved. It's a nice easy way to edit an extrusion. Now the next thing I want to show you when editing an extrusion is the preserve constraints and the move end only. Now here we've already covered the toggle moving point back and forth, and now we'll claim this as our moving point. Now here's the difference between preserve constraint and move end only. If we want to move just the end of the selected bar, we click on Move End Only, and that will adjust the extrusion only. Now we'll click the Undo button, hit the Property button again, and select the same extrusion. If we'd like to preserve the constraints of the entire project, we click Preserve Constraints, and now we click 12 inches, or type in 12 inches, click OK, and the entire project will move down based upon that extrusion because we're preserving the constraints of the entire project.